Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Heart to Heart with Margie. And this week, I'm going to bring you two Heart to Heart episodes. Uh, my YouTube family, thank you so much for your support. My heart has been kind of, I want to say heavy, very concerned about the health of our people, the health of the nation, the health of the world. But let me say this, I am not a doctor. I do not work in the medical field. So do not prescribe. I'm telling you guys, if you're on medication, please take your medicine. Please continue to go see your physicians. It's so very important that you do. I'm just only here to share my journey with you and to share some information that I feel that is important for our health and our well-being. I'm not bringing you a juice today. However, I have had my juice today, many juices. And I'm excited because I know the body is created to heal itself. And I'm not going to be with you long today, but let me first of all say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to the newcomers. Thank you so much. Thank you to my juice masters. Thank you. Thank you to those who are actually doing the 7-day glow up challenge. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Continue to send me the thumbs up. Continue to please send me your comments and share this information. You all of this help build my channel's YouTube algorithm. So I need your support as we continue to reach people around the world. But I just want to share this because my heart today was feeling kind of something today. I don't know if you all are comfortable with this or not. And I guess maybe I should be comfortable with it, but it's my passion. It's my passion because I know that the body is created to heal itself. I know that. So people of today, my YouTube family, we need to have a real conversation. And I'm going to tell you, this is why I juice so much. I do not say juicing going to heal your body. I'm not telling you that. However, I know when you juice, you will feel better. I already know that. 7 months of juicing every day, and I feel amazing. I do. But today we're going to talk about this because what we're seeing all around us is not just aging. It's just not people getting older. People aren't just getting older. They are getting sicker. We're watching people being more fatigued, on more medication, more diagnosis, more people feeling drained even before they even get out of bed. And somewhere along the way, we were taught to believe that this is normal. Y'all, I'm here to tell each one of us and myself, it is not normal. Hear me clearly. This is not normal. This is not how the body is designed to live. No, it's not. The body was not created to break down this fast. It's not. It's just not. And I already know it's just not. It's not designed to live in constant pain, constant inflammation, constant exhaustion. It is not designed that way. That's not how God created our bodies. The truth is, the body was designed to heal, to rebuild, and restore itself. But it can only do that when it is given the proper nutrition. when it is given what it actually needs. And right now, so many people are running on empty, empty of real nutrients, empty of real living food, empty of what truly fuels life at the cellular level. So instead of healing, the body is just surviving. You all, we have got to really get this word out and even take our own health to the next level. This is what it's all about. This is why I juice all the time. And this is why I tell you all that I'm going to juice to Jesus come back. Y'all, I have never been this so excited in all of my days. And my excitement comes because I know the body was created to heal itself. My body was created to heal itself. However, I have to put the proper nutrients in my body. Even though I'm juicing, when I'm not juicing, I have to eat the right nutrients, the right vitamins, the right minerals has to go inside of this body, and I have to give it rest. I have to meditate. I have to exercise this body. All of this is a part of the healing. And I want you all to just join hands with me, please. Join hands with me as we make a difference in the health and wealth of this world. But the moment you begin to nourish the body, the moment we begin to nourish the body with real foods, with living juices, with what nature intended, everything can begin to shift. Everything can begin to shift. Energy starts to come back. Clarity returns. The body starts doing what it was already meant to do. This is your reminder. You're not stuck. Your body is not done. It is never too late to rebuild. But it starts with what you give it. It starts with what you give it. You all, let's begin really at this moment, this day, this hour. Begin to think about everything that goes into our bodies. Everything that goes into our bodies. I saw something somewhere. When they talk about, and I'm getting ready to actually, when it talks about the sickness and disease, we're talking about chronic diseases, obesity, poor gut health, low energy and fatigue, mental health struggles. That means stress, anxiety, and burnout, inflammation, and related conditions. And all this come from highly processed foods, excess sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Sedentary lifestyle. That means a lifestyle with no exercise, no movement, poor sleep, and high stress. So we have got to really make the changes so we can make the difference in the health and wealth of this world. I send love out to each one of you and your family and your friends as we connect together, heart to heart, mind to mind, hand in hand, and walk this thing out together. Let's make a difference in the health of our body and in the health of the nation, health and the wealth. Again, thank you all for listening. Thank you all for joining me on this rebuilding from the inside out. And stay tuned tomorrow for another Heart to Heart with Margie. And again, thank you so much to all of my subscribers and the newcomers, and to everybody who listened to this video, go ahead and subscribe if you have not already subscribed. And we have membership, Juice Masters. Join the Juice Masters. Join the Juice Masters. You all, we are rebuilding from the inside out. Until the next video, peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.